going back to, I'm good in wasting time. But we're here not to waste time, we're here to learn how to preserve and to maintain our families. So he used to pray carrying his daughter, Umama. And whenever he bowed down or prostrated, he placed her on the ground, an infant. And when he stood up, he picked her up. And this is a reply to some of the schools of thought that say 3 movements in the salat breaks it. No, it doesn't. The Prophet moved like 20. There is nothing as 3 movements in the salat breaks it. As long as there is a need to move in the salat, go ahead and move. What is the use of praying Asr 4 rak'ah when the first rak'ah you get an itch in your shoulder and you're fighting it? 4 rak'ah you wasted doing this, you don't know what the Imam recited. What did the Imam recite? Wallah, I don't know, Shaykh. Of course you don't know, it was Asr. See, even you did not know. So the problem is that, no, sometimes you have to move. You have to do this. You have to have some movement. The Prophet used to carry Umama and pray with her, alayhi salatu wassalam. Al-Hasan and Al-Hussein, his grandchildren, used to mount him in salat, in fard. When he was in sujood, they come and they ride on his back. What is this? If this happens with me as an imam leading the prayer in Maghrib, what will the congregation do? They will kick me out of the salah. You're not a good imam. Why? How do you let your children ride you in the salat and waste our time? No, 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 you're not good. Fire him. The Prophet ﷺ did this. He's our role model. To teach us how to deal with what? With youngsters. Nowadays, all what you see is too much discipline. Sit. Don't speak. Fetch. He's not a dog. He's a child. You have to have mercy on children. We try to treat them and deal with them as if they're adults. No, they are children. It's part of their job description to break things, to play around, to make a mess. But we try to have love and compassion and bringing them up in a way that they feel the love, not the reprimanding.